I'm Ann Price. I invented puppy bumpers to keep my own little dogs safe in fenced areas and balconies. And I'm going to show you how to use them and how they work to keep little dogs safe.
Well, it's been a long time since the last time that I saw you walking down that road alone. And it's been a long time since the last
So to solve this problem, we came up with the puppy bumper. And as you can see, we lace the regular collar through the ribbon loops, and that'll hold it on securely. So then when we want to put it on the dog, we just snap the collar around their neck, snap the puppy bumper, and they're ready to go out and play safely in the backyard. They can't get out.
And it's been a long time since the last time that you saw me. And now I'm hoping that I won't have to go home alone. Well, I'll take the high road to the sea. I don't need for anybody to follow me. No. Well, I'll take the high. We'll meet up somewhere in the middle, baby. I don't know. It's been a long time since the last time that you saw me walking down that road alone. And it's been a long